American muscle meets supercar performance. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C8 continues redefining what's possible from an American sports car, delivering exotic-level thrills at an attainable price. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into everything this stunning machine brings to the table. Design. The design language remains absolutely striking. Sharp angles, aggressive air intakes, and that unmistakable mid-engine silhouette demand attention everywhere it goes. The sculpted bodywork serves both form and function, optimizing aerodynamics while creating genuine visual drama. Updated exterior details for 2026 keep the styling fresh and contemporary. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit wraps around you with premium materials and purposeful layout. Performance. Performance is where the C8 truly shines. The powerful V8 engine sits behind the driver, delivering explosive acceleration and an intoxicating exhaust note. Lightning-quick transmission shifts keep power flowing seamlessly. The balanced mid-engine chassis offers remarkable cornering confidence and stability. Whether carving mountain roads or cruising highways, the driving experience feels genuinely special. Technology integration impresses throughout. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, while the infotainment system offers intuitive connectivity. Performance data recording lets enthusiasts analyze their driving. Driver assistance features add practicality without diminishing the sports car character. Chevrolet continues refining the complete ownership experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Corvette C8 proves American engineering belongs among the world's finest sports cars, delivering supercar performance with everyday usability. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button, share with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.